Hello viewers, welcome to my 8C++ tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you what is array and how it store and print the data. So the question is, what is array? Array is something that can store the multiple data of like integer, or you can say the character. Here you can see the example of integer array, and it's stored like this. At the index of 0 it stored the 1, at the index of 1 it stored the 3, at the index of 2 it stored the value 4, at the index of 3 it stored the 5. So now we're going to put this in the programming. So firstly we're going to put the example of integer and then float and then character. Float is something simple, same than integer. So first of all we're going to initialize array which have size 2, and at like I said, it stored the 3 values. If we create the array of 2, at the index of 0 it's to 1, at the index of 1 it's stored 2, at the index of 3 is stored 2, it's stored 3, and then print all simultaneously and run, save it, run it, and here you can see the values. It print all the values simultaneously, like we have print cout symbol, you can see this. And now the question is, what if the arrays we have size array of 100 or 1000 or more, then we can use the loop like this for, and keep in mind that it always start from 0 because the index of array start from 0 and end to 2. Then print all the values. Now run it, and here you can see the same thing. Now we're going to making the character array like jar, and the first we're going to j o 3 equal to d. Okay, and 8 ends to the 3. Here you can see it prints good, like we assign all the values. Now we can input all the values at in the loop. We're going to input all the values j int j less than or equal to 3 and j increment, then input the full array. Now run it, and here you can see G O O D. Good. Here you can see it. Firstly, it input all the values, and we give I'm the user, and I give the 4 values, and then this loop execute and print all the values. So this we have learned, this is the first dimensional array, and in the next tutorial we are going to learn the multiple dimensional array. So thank you for watching. Keep visit my next tutorial to learn more.